Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very natural look for you today using the Morphe 3502 palette. So first, I did my eyebrows already. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in the color dark brown. Right now I am just starting off with a transition color. I don't remember what color I used. I'll have to put it in the description. So basically I'm just going from a lighter shade to a darker shade to a darker shade, and like I said, I'm gonna have to put it in my description box which color I used. I am using a Morphe brush as well. As you can see, you know, I did this kind of quickly. I only used like 3 shades, and then I used a lighter shade. That's the color that you see me putting on my lid. And then I am using this very pretty shimmery color. As you can see, I swatched it for you right here. So I just wet it with some setting spray, and then I put it on the inner part of my lid. Now I'm going in with some NYX liquid liner. This is my favorite liquid liner right now. I really want to find a matte one because this one doesn't really dry as matte as I would like it to. Girl, what are you doing? It is not even in the camera. I am always missing the camera when I'm doing my lashes or trying to do my winged liner all the time. Now this is the Tarte Cosmetics Man Eater mascara. Yeah, that's what you do when you don't have lashes. You gotta lift them shits up. I put on some Kiss lashes called So Wispy in 06. Now I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 340 Capuccino, I think it is. I like applying it on my face with a brush and then going over it with, or blending it out with either a brush or the Morphe sponge. I am liking the Morphe sponge. Honestly, I like the Morphe sponge better than the brushes. It gives me a flawless finish, and it kind of gives me a full coverage look other than this brush that I'm using right now. I don't usually use this brush, so that was probably the problem. But yeah, I like using the Morphe sponge. I was talking to my cousin on FaceTime. She likes to call me every time I'm filming, and she doesn't even know that I'm filming. It's just like she FaceTimes me every time I'm filming. So now I'm going back in with the foundation, just, you know, to get a bit more coverage. Like I said, the brushes kind of didn't give me as much of a coverage as I liked. This is the Morphe sponge that I was talking about. It is amazing. Amazing. Go to the top, never buck down. Make all you niggas eat hella salt. Why the fuck did you think I would stop now? It's a king mix, nigga. Them baby hairs on fleek, girl. Okay, now I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Tape Shape. I don't even know if it's Tape Shape or Shape Tape concealer. I don't know which one. I always get it confused. This is in the color Tan Sand, and I like to mix it with my foundation and then apply it to my face. I like to use that color for underneath my eyebrows, but I need to go a shade darker for my concealed parts of my face. Because, you know, you don't want to look like Casper. If, you know, it's Halloween, then you can look like Casper. But in this case, you know, it's wintertime, and you don't want to look like Casper in the wintertime. I don't even know if that makes sense. Because everyone is pale in the wintertime, including myself. I'm dark as shit in the summertime. You know, get that tan going. Okay, let me stop talking so you can watch. After I am applying my concealer and blending it out, I'm putting on the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and this is the yellow color. This is the blush that I used. I don't know why I keep saying It's from the Sephora collection makeup, but I didn't put it on right after I showed it because I'm like, oh shit. I have to contour first. I like to contour before I put my blush on because I feel like if I blush then contour, my contour will cover up my blush, and I don't know, I'm just weird like that. So that's why I went back and did my contour first. There we go. There's the blush. For some reason, like if I'm applying contour and blush, I like to blow on my brush first so that the excess will not be on my face. And then I look like a clown. Who wants to look like a clown? Unless it's Halloween, like I said. I'm applying the highlighter from the Black Radiance contour palette. That highlighter is bomb. That thing was only like $6 too. It's amazing what you can get for like cheap or inexpensive, and it comes out right. Some things don't come out right though. I'm putting on some brown lip liner, and then I am gonna go in with some Nicki Minaj MAC Cosmetics lipstick. This is I think this is the pink print, or yeah, I think this is the pink print. I really like that lipstick. And then after that, I just put on some Beauty Supply Store lip gloss. Beauty Supply Store lip gloss is the best. It is so shiny and it is not sticky. Some of them are sticky, so, but this one was only $1, so you know, if it was sticky, I was either gonna give it to my sister or throw it in the trash, girl. You don't want no sticky ass lips. When your man kiss you and his lips gonna stick to yours, who wants that? This is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.